All right, let's do a little tangent. I don't know how this is going to go, but I went on tour in June, and I was in Missouri at a church, predominantly black crowd. I told the Black Don't Crack story, which I was a little nervous about, and then I told the pallbearer story, and when I said, dead people are incredibly heavy, which you guys laughed at, they didn't laugh. And then like a millisecond later, it dawned on me, I accidentally said, black people are incredibly heavy. Yeah.